Today we have the new Pro XP CVT cover. We're going to go over installing our blaster fan assembly. So you want to find the area that has a wide spot between the ribs. Remove this rib and get it flush to the cover. That can either be done with a sharp knife, or in our case we're going to do it with a Dremel. I've measured where the center of the hole is going to be cut, and it's from the flat back of the cover out 2 5/16, and from the over the lip of the rib it's over 2 inches. And then you mark the center of that, and we're going to drill a pilot hole and then cut the 2 3/4 hole. First we're going to go ahead and drill the pilot hole. Now we're going to cut the 2 3/4 inch hole using a 2 3/4 inch hole saw, and it will grab on you, so just get it spinning up, and it might grab on you, but just continue through and you'll get through the cover. Alright, so go ahead and we'll clean this hole up, and then we'll go to the next process of marking the holes to mount the fan. I'm going to take the fan assembly and we're going to center it over the hole. We're going to take a scribe and we're going to mark the 2 mounting holes through the adapter and onto the cover. And we're going to go ahead and drill the 13/64 holes for mounting the fan assembly. Now we're going to go ahead and drill the holes for mounting the fan. This one's a little bit of a problem because the head of the drill wants to hit, but it's okay. We'll get it done, and then we'll just clearance it from the back side to make sure it's squared out. We're on the inside of the cover, and we need to countersink the 2 mounting holes. So we've put a bead of silicone around the outside of the cutout for installing the fan. We're going to go ahead and put the fan in place. And then from the back side, we're putting a screw up in there. We're going to start that with a washer. And the nylock nut. We'll move over to the other side and do the other one. And with our small wrench, we're going to hold on to the nut here, and then from the back side, we're going to go ahead and tighten them up with the Phillips screwdriver. Got it all tightened up. It's nice and flush. Everything's tightened down, so now it's time to move on to installing the duct and the where the filtration is going to be picked up on the side of the bed.